Here in Arizona, we know our humidifiers. So dry air humidifiers are always a good idea. Now, if you're not going to need a humidifier for a big area, like maybe a car and an RV, in a tent while you're sleeping, this one uses USB. So you can use any USB power source. It has a button on the side to turn it on, so it's real easy. It can hold quite a bit of water. There's a night light inside, and you can put in one of these tubes for scents. So you just twist it in, push the button once, and it almost immediately is blowing humidity. Now we can hit the button again, and it'll go even higher. There's a night light that's going on inside the water, which if it was dark out, would make a really nice night light effect. Works great. Easy to use, just one button, and works off of USB power. Great portable, small humidifier. Hope this helps.